Alright, 99 to Lexus LS400. If you get an air temp code, I'm going to show you guys where the sensor's at. We've got the new sensor already, ready to go. Temp sensor is basically underneath the bumper, and it hangs. It plugs in right here, right behind the grill. Okay. So this is the sensor. I've already got it out, and basically just unplug it. New one, plug it in. 24/7. Here we go. And if you guys watch. Done. And that's it. Again, if you guys like what we do, click and subscribe. That's how we help you guys out. Thanks.